Yeah, what is it, guys? This is a quick demonstration and setup tutorial for my utility, YetAnotherAnkiTool. The purpose of this utility is just to allow you to quickly add audio and pictures to your Anki cards. I made this tool just because I wanted a way to add pictures and sentence audio from regardless of what context that I was watching or regardless of what game that I was playing. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of it here. So let's say that we wanted to add Kikoeru. All I need to do is, well, I have Yomi Ninja installed. That allows me to make the text on my screen clickable. So all you need to do is, regardless of how you do it, just add an Anki card using Anki Connect. So with Yomitan, I can click this. So the moment the text that a new Anki card is added, the utility is going to pop up, and it's going to prompt you to select a screenshot. So the utility runs in the background collecting screenshots every second, up to 30. So I can go back a bit and find a screenshot where I don't have my Yomitan picture up. So right here, I can click this, select this one. And then you can select your audio. So the audio, the way this works is you use the left mouse to drag the start offset and right mouse to drag the end offset. And all you need to do is just scroll it until you find where the audio begins. So with that, now I have my audio and my screenshot detected. All I need to do is just hit send to Anki. Capturing will be turned back on again, and it'll wait until the next card gets added in. So to show you how it looks in Anki now, if I go ahead and preview my card, I have my screenshot and the audio that I just sent. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on setting it up now. So all you need to do is download it from the releases tab on the GitHub repo. So this only works on Windows 64-bit machines due to the APIs that I'm using. But once you have it downloaded and extracted, this is a clean install. The moment you launch it, it's going to prompt you to select your media path folder and set up some Anki credentials. So in the settings tab, we can do that. So the first thing we do is set up the media folder path. And by default, this will just be in %appdata% Anki user, or whatever your user profile name is, and then media, collection media. So this is a full path string that you're going to want to copy. So just copy that, paste it into here. And then next up are the fields that the utility is going to pull and insert into. So if I open up Anki real quick, I have a mining template. So if I go ahead and browse one of my cards, or even the card I just made, if you go over to fields, these are the fields that we care about here. So the word name, this can be anything. This is just what gets displayed in this text here when a new card is inserted. But I'm just going to use word. It has to match exactly what it shows in the template here. So for the image field name, this is going to be the picture field it inserts into. So that's just going to be picture. And then for audio, I'm going to be using sentence audio because I wanted to insert into that field. Anki port and Anki address, you can leave default unless you change these in Anki Connect. Gain, this is going to be the gain multiplier for the actual outputted file. I set mine to 30 because my audio on my computer is pretty quiet usually. And then GUI playback gain, this is just how you hear it when you hit play. That doesn't affect how it's saved. Bring to front just makes utility pop up on as a very front window when a new card is inserted to your deck. So now I have done that. You'll notice that it is connected, it is capturing. When it says it is capturing, it's actually inserting or capturing screenshots of whatever your active window is, and it stores it in the screenshot out folder. It only stores 30 at a time on a 1-second interval, so 30 seconds of screenshots. Audio out is just it recording whatever desktop audio you have playing in the background. It'll save up to 10 waves at a time before it deletes old ones. So I will show you one more example of mining something. Last time I used Yomi Ninja, but I'm just going to use Yomi Tons straight up from YouTube video. So this is Emma, a popular podcaster. So I'll again mine a card. So if I wanted to mine Yasashi, I can go ahead and select a card, hit add. The moment I do that, my utility is going to pop up. Double clicking will allow you to view the image, and I'm going to select this one because it doesn't have my Yomiton window popped up. Then I just have to drag the offsets until I find... and then I can replay it. Yep, and then left click allows you to adjust the start offset, right click allows you to adjust the end offset. Send to Anki.
優しい
And then that's it for the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the utility.